Alright, so this is what the packaging looks like. It just says LED fog light. Not much going on. This is the model number. I'll put the link in the description below to link to the exact pair that I got. So just open it up, and 2 fog lights come in a little bag. Those look pretty good. I think they have 16 LEDs a piece. And yeah, so let's go ahead, start some cinematic shots, and then we'll install. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and take off this this front piece. So you just take out the 2 pop-in. Now we're just going to take off the grill. Now you can just take this piece out. Now you just got to reach up in here, and then I can't really get a camera angle for you guys, so I'll just try to pull it out and show you. Alright, so as you guys can see that there's 2 little tabs on the side. You just want to push them in and just pull straight out, and that's really easy. And then from there you can just take off your bulb just by pushing this little tab down. And now do the same thing on the other side. So you just push the 2 tabs in, pull it out, and then push the tab down right here at the top. And there you go. Easy as that. So now let's go ahead and replace these with the LEDs. Alright, so I took off the actual fog light so I guys can show you guys what I was talking about. These 2 ends, you just push them in and you can pull it out. But now since I'm installing it, you just go ahead and line it up and then push it in real good. Let's see. You should hear a click, just like that. And it shouldn't move at all. Good. Now let's go ahead and install these into the Jeep. Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It's a really quick install, honestly. I'll go ahead and put a link in the description to the same exact pair that I got. I had to do a little bit of a modification on the lights themselves to fit the H16 socket. So yeah, so they're really easy. It's like you just have to cut off a little piece. But anyways guys, like the video if you liked it. Comment below what lights or fog lights you run. And yeah, so share the video, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.